AI just confidently told me about a research paper. Authors, journal, publication date. That paper doesn't exist. This is called a hallucination, and it's the single most important AI limitation you need to understand. Here's what's actually happening. Remember, LLMs predict the most likely next word based on patterns. They're not looking things up. They're not checking a database of facts. They're generating text that sounds right. And that's the problem. Plausible is not the same as true. So it will invent a citation. Real author name, real journal name, believable title, because statistically, that's what comes after a reference request. It will say a company was founded in 1987 when it was actually 1992. It will tell you studies show 73% of, except no study ever said that. Not lying, just predicting. The model has no concept of truth. It has a concept of probability. What words are most likely to come next? Sometimes the most probable answer is wrong. So here's the rule. Treat AI like a brilliant friend who sometimes makes things up with total confidence. Useful, but verify before you act. 3 moves to protect yourself. 1. Never trust AI on critical facts without checking. 2. Ask it to cite sources, then verify those sources actually exist. 3. For anything high stakes, cross-reference with a second source. AI is a pattern machine, not a fact machine. Once you understand that, you will use it way more effectively. Next video, when AI stops being text only and starts seeing images, hearing audio, processing video, multimodal AI. Follow so you don't miss it. Drop your questions below. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab. Thank you for tuning in to our AI from Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.